Walking through town, Jason's friend pointed toward a flower seller. "I've never seen anyone buy from her." Jason decided to look closer.
Without hesitation, Jason bought every single flower. But instead of taking them home, he carried them into the busy streets with a different plan.
When Jason returned, the flower seller was still beside her stand on crutches. But now, people were stopping, buying flowers, and smiling.
Jason never wanted praise. He simply wanted her to feel seen. Now, strangers were helping her stand tall, even while she remained on crutches.